It's your girl Jasmine Nicole. If you didn't know, now you know, and I'm back and better than ever with another video. If this your first time seeing me on your screen, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey my J-Bae. As y'all can see by the title, y'all finna do a little nighttime routine with me. I'm finna get ready to cook dinner in a little bit. I did go ahead and place me a Walmart delivery order, and of course it's taking a minute, okay? They talking about 46. Baby, I'm ready to eat now. But in the meantime, I'm finna get out of these clothes and I'm finna relax a little bit and probably take me a little nap, not gonna lie. So when the groceries get here, I'll talk to y'all later. Yep. Y'all, I just brought the groceries in. As y'all saw, tonight I'm cooking marry me chicken over mashed potatoes with broccoli on the side. So I did get a few things from Walmart like I told y'all before, so I'm gonna just show y'all a quick little haul, nothing too major, okay? I did pick up some extra little things on the side or whatever, so I did go ahead and get some Kraft macaronis. Jana is falling in love with Kraft macaronis. I am a Velveeta girl, but I mean, if she like it, I love it. So I have to get my baby some of these. For dinner tonight, I did go ahead and get the big thing of heavy whipping cream as well as some sun-dried tomatoes. I did go ahead and get the family size mashed potatoes. I got two. I am not a girl that cook mashed potatoes from scratch, so yeah, I had to grab these. I got some Parmesan cheese and some crescent rolls for tonight. So yeah, I already had mozzarella, so I really didn't need that, so I just got Parmesan. I got an onion and some strawberries for my parfait because the strawberries that we had here, they was going bad, y'all. And honestly, these are like they're going bad too, so I just hate Walmart fruit. Like, why y'all don't have good fruit? Like, ew. I also got some chicken breast and some vegetable, I guess, broth. I never had this, y'all, but they did not have chicken broth. The person that was shopping for my groceries, that's what they said. So yeah, I guess we're gonna have to do with the vegetable broth unless I can find some chicken broth here somewhere. I don't know. And I also got a couple of snacks. I got honey buns because I am a big bag, okay? I'm a big bag. I can't help it. I can't help it. And I did go ahead and get these caramel crisps. These are so freaking good. I love them, and they low in calories. So yeah, gotta get these. I also got a box of freaking Pringles because every time we go in a store, Yana feel like she has to get some chips. Yeah, no, we're not doing that because baby, we got chips at home and she loves Pringles. So I also wanted to give her a chance to try all of the flavors. So yeah, that's everything that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this stuff away. I'm gonna leave everything out that I am gonna use to cook. Yana is still upstairs sleeping. I am gonna continue to relax while she sleep. I don't want to do no type of work while she sleep, okay? So I'm gonna wait to cook when she gets up. But yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff up and I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit later when it's time to cook. All right, y'all, so Yana is up. I have a couple of dishes in the sink, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash them real quick before I get started cooking. So that's what we're finna go ahead and do right now.
Just see those sleigh bells jingle and ring, jingle, tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
So now that the dishes are done, we're finna go ahead and we're finna wash our hands so we can start prepping this food. If you don't wash your hands before you cook and touch all that meat and all that nasty stuff, before and after actually, you're nasty. But you know what? Whatever you do in your house, that ain't none of my business. I'm going about my business, so yeah. But I'm still here to tell you, you're nasty.
And comfy and cozy all week. We're snuggled up together like two birds off a feather would be. Let's take the road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
I say, black and mild. Biggie black. Biggie black. Come on. We finna have some fun. Black, where you at? In my mind. Come on. Oh, come on. Merry Christmas, baby. That's right. Wanna be free. Come on. For all of our friends. Yeah. To listen to me. Oh, do you hear me now? Come on. Oh, you know. Now hear what I say. It's your boy Big Chew. What it do? We wish you all Merry Christmas. Come on, baby.
Y'all, so I am done with dinner. Not too much on me because I'm still learning how to cook, so not too much, okay? I'm not perfect, but here is my Marry Me chicken. It is so good, y'all. I cannot wait to plate this. So that's my Marry Me chicken. Here is my mashed potatoes. Not too much on them because yeah. And that is my broccoli over there. So yeah, I'm gonna plate me and Yana's food, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and eat for the night. So this is what it's looking like. We're gonna do a taste test. Y'all, I forgot to do my question rolls. Clearly it slipped my mind, but it's okay, we finna still eat. I'll taste the broccoli first. Oh, it's hot. I like my broccoli soft, no crunch. And it's good. Let's see what it's hitting on. It's so creamy and seasoned to perfection. And I say you don't like no type of seasoning. Put them on the Mary. Nah, but this is good. I'm finna sit down. I'm finna eat. Probably watch a little YouTube, catch up on VLOGMAS. Yeah, Yana over here tearing this up. Literally, she got it all in her hands. But I'm glad to know it's good. Alright, y'all, so we are done eating and I'm gonna go ahead and get Yana in the tub. It is currently, what time is it? 8:01. And Miss Girl, she got mashed potatoes freaking everywhere. So I'm just gonna go throw her in the freaking tub, let her marinate in it, and I might as well get in the tub too. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. So come on. Y'all, Yana is OD ready to get in the tub. Like, she done stripped down to nothing. Like, she's butt booty ball naked. But anyways, I put this Epsom salt in her bath, and I put it in there because it has magnesium, and you make her go nighty night. Thank you. So we're gonna sprinkle some of this up in here. A lot of it. I've been to use the whole thing. Alright, y'all, so I done got me and Yana clothes out for tonight. Yana is wearing these butterfly PJs or whatever the case may be. I am wearing my cheetah print, leopard print, whatever it is, pajamas. I really wanted us to wear some festive pajamas, but they're not gonna be here in time. I just ordered them today. They're supposed to be getting delivered tonight around 7 to 9. It is currently 8:19, so it's like, where y'all at? I guess they looking for a delivery driver to drop my shit off. Come pick my shit up and drop my shit off, okay? But anyways, I'm just gonna stay there for another day. It is what it is. We finna go ahead and get our butts in the shower and in the tub. Yana is already in the tub. I'm finna go ahead and hop in the shower so I can wind down for tonight. Baby, I am tired. When I say this vlogmas is whooping my ass, it's whooping my ass. Like, every single day I gotta upload, every single day I gotta edit, film, and do that shit all over again. Yeah, no, it's just too much going on. But yeah, we're gonna get some editing done tonight, and I gotta schedule my upload for day 2 of vlogmas or whatever. Day 1 is already up, so if you haven't already, go ahead and check that out. But yeah, I'm gonna go hop in the tub. So come with, not too much, but come with, okay? Yeah, can't see my goodies. All right, let me stop playing and freaking get in the shower. Like, at this point, I'm fucking around. We're gonna put our bonnet on so we can get in. I'm so ready to go to bed. I'm ready for me money. Fresh out the shower, like baby powder. Yeah, anyways, we're going in with our Dove so we won't be musty, crusty, dusty, because some of y'all bitches be musty. Yeah. Baby, she's almost done. We're almost done with her. Yes, baby. You're a mermaid? My daughter thinks she's a mermaid. I got my PJs on. I got my PJs on. These are my favorite freaking PJs. My TikTok people, I know y'all can tell, because I wear her every time. Every time she get washed, baby, she's in rotation to get worn again. Thank y'all. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put my spin of the night on, which she's empty, damn near, running real low. This is Brazilian Crush 62, pistachio, and salted caramel. Love her. Love her down. Me and Yana be using the fuck out of this. She need her own. But anyways, we're gonna do a little bit of skincare and wrap our night up because mommy is ready to get into bed. Because I got some editing to do. We gotta work. So I hope you came ready to work. Don't think you just here for nothing. We're not doing no full skincare tonight. We just doing cleanser, toner, moisturizer. That's it. I'm tired as fuck. At least I'm cleaning my motherfucking face, bitch. Yeah, baby, skin on glowy. Alright, y'all, so I'm in the bed now and I'm watching Baddies with my friend. And yeah, after we finish watching Baddies, I'm gonna do a little bit of editing and I'll talk to y'all then. Alright, y'all, so I'm done watching Baddies with my friend. And I really just sat and thought about it. How am I going to let y'all watch me edit or whatever the case may be if I need my SD card? And my other SD cards are full. So, yeah, false alarm on the editing, okay? These lashes about to get ready to come off. Actually, let's just go ahead and pull them off because they pissing me off. Like, it's been so long, so it's just like they gotta come off. They gotta come off. Alright, so all the freaking lashes are off, period. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna end the video off right here. Thank y'all so much for tuning into today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed spending the night with me or spending the evening with me, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, just winding down for the night or whatever the case may be. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.